Vande Mataram, PMAX campaigns. These are also called as performance max in the Google ads. Friends, what is the special feature of this campaign? So if you create this particular campaign, that's the PMAX campaign, then through that, your ad shows up on multiple Google inventories or Google platforms at the same time. These include YouTube, Gmail, Google search, okay, and many other more platforms. So now friends, here in this, let me tell you that the Google uses its AI system, and you know the Google's AI. What does that AI do is it sees that whatever settings that are there, then based on your data and your requirements that you have, according to that, how can you get the results, how these results could be at their best with the lowest cost. For example, how will their target audience, the one that they have set, so how that can be reached. Okay, it shows your ads most often in the same places where your target audience is maximum. And all of this is done by the Google's AI system. So these PMAX campaigns are very popular. And at current date, the one being used, there is a campaign that is used by large digital marketing agencies and many other big brands, so that their presence is there. What is this benefit from the presence that's also coming on different platforms? It is there where we are able to reach our target audience. Let's say today, that is nowadays, a person normally uses those multiple Google products that are there. Now Google knows that he has signed in and this customer is visible everywhere. If it comes under the target audience, then Google automatically decides how many times to target them, how to target them, and how to reach them. If you want to generate leads or bring in sales, then their AI system does it. Here, if you use this PMAX, then how can you get the maximum results with the minimum costing? Those tips, those strategies, I am going to teach all that to you practically. How will you create a PMAX campaign for your own business or for your clients? Step by step. You must stay connected with me, because what me and my team does in my digital marketing agency. The strategies that we use with our clients, and I'll also tell you about those optimization techniques. So friends, see, like at this time now we are on the computer screen and we have opened the Google Ads account. So to create a PMAX campaign, like to create any campaign, I click on new campaign, going to new campaign. So you should understand here that the choice is yours. If your business is product based, then what you need to do is to choose sales as the objective, aiming for the highest possible sales. If you need to generate leads and your work is service based or professional, then you can choose the lead objective. So here I'm going for leads, as we are a digital marketing agency, a digital marketing coaching center. So we are going for leads. If your business is product based related to sales, then you can choose sales as the objective. And look here, because mine is lead based, so I'm removing this top one. So anyone who comes to my website and fills out inquiry form will be considered a conversion for my account, and we already have a conversion goal for this. So I'm choosing this one so that proper conversion tracking can happen. Okay. Now we will continue, we will move forward now, because the campaign that I am running, that's not a search, demand and display shopping campaign. It's a performance max campaign, a PMAX campaign. So I selected that. Here, I don't need to add any products to campaign because it's not the shopping one. Now you need to understand it clearly that if you are product based, you have a merchant account, you are running an e-commerce site, then you will also have a merchant account. So in this course, what we'll be doing is we will teach you how to create a merchant account. How will you be able to run a sales site and how to run a shopping experience. We will teach you everything in this course. For now, what you can do is learn about the PMAX here. So here in PMAX, I will put in my website URL where I want the audience to click and go there and visits once it is copied. After copying the URL, now here, lead performance max, MF, ads, I'll put in the date, and we will move on. We have given a name to the campaign, and after giving campaign name, we will continue. Click on start new. Here it's asking which bidding strategy you will choose, conversions or conversion value. So the conversions. So I'll choose the option that will bring most inquiries, as that will lead to more conversions. So I'll choose conversions. Here, if I want to set it so that I spend this much rupees per lead or per conversion, I won't be able to spend more than 200 rupees per conversion. So I can give 200 rupees per lead, not more than that. I told Google. Now inside this only, the Google shows the budget. How to optimize it to get the results above this. And I won't give the costing above that. I made it clear. If you are new and don't know how much to spend, don't worry about making it too low or too high. You can run some campaigns without it. So Google will give you an idea after running some campaigns based on your account, how many leads you are getting. So then you can set it here, because this is optional, okay? Now let's move on to the next step. After doing next, you need to choose which area you want to run the campaign, like India, or you won't be able to run for all countries in the whole world together. So first option is useless. Second, we have India. Now if you want to run the campaign in all of India or in a specific location, you can select the location here. Okay, for example, let's say I choose Delhi to run the ads in that location, or along with Delhi location, we want to run the ads in Haryana. Okay, so for that, or in Punjab. So I will be choosing the different locations like this and save them. And once after doing all of this, down below, I will also add English and Hindi in the languages section, because my advice is that in whatever country or state you are doing it, you must make sure the language inside that country, that is English, etc. You can choose both languages, so that English and your regional language, so the people out there would be easily able to understand both the languages. So you can choose both languages in which people are comfortable, so that our ads are visible to them. We will go to more settings. Ad schedule is one of the most important features because it is very useful for budget optimization. You just think about it. On the days when your business is not active and you don't have a team, or on the days when, on those particular days when your team is not working, so on that time, why would the leads generate? Okay, why would you make a customer wait? So you should choose those days. Let's say your business operates from Monday to Friday. Or maybe you have a business that operates on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You can select all of that from here. And let's say you want to run an ad in office hours. That my ad runs at 9 o'clock, after 9 o'clock when my office closes. Now if my ad stops, then what will Google do? It will automatically pause the ad, it will automatically activate it. This will not hamper your ads performance. If you turn it on and off yourself, your ads performance will be hampered. Make sure to schedule your ads. This will prevent your ads from showing at unnecessary times and days, which will save your budget. More settings. Look here, in this we have the start date and end date. This is when you want to start and end the campaign. You can set it here if you want. Otherwise you can manually manage it. We'll do next. After doing next, as you can see, this portion that is coming, this is still in beta version, and we'll skip asset generation for now and do nothing here. Now we have come to asset group name. Now let's say there are 3 services that I want to take: digital marketing course, graphic designing course, and website designing course. Okay, so now what should I put all the keywords, leads and everything in one ad group? No, I should not. It should be in multiple ad groups. So as I'm showing you how to create one, you can create multiple. Here the assets that is there, I'll give the name of the group here, that is the asset group name. So this will be digital marketing course. Okay, so this particular ad I'm going to focus is related to digital marketing. Here my ad strength is still incomplete. I need to add images, videos, headlines and descriptions. And as you can see, because it's a performance max campaign, PMAX, here my ad will show on Google search, on the display network. It will show on Google, it will show on YouTube. Different platforms such as Discover, Gmail will be used. Okay. Now here I will fill in the URL. So it has picked up my URL given at the beginning. Okay, now what I'll do is add some headlines in this. Like here I'll add digital marketing live course. Okay, I added a headline here. I will add a unique headline along with this. That will be number 1. Coaching classes. We will put one more headline. Become digital marketing expert. Okay, it is exceeding. So here I'm going to put this together, become digital marketing expert. Then we'll add another headline, learn under agency. Under the agency, inside you will learn. Okay, grow and earn So like this, put in multiple headlines. Also you'll need these as multiple. Now in the headlines, using some important keywords, mention some unique USPs, etc. Okay, now like here for example, I'll tell get discount up to 50%. Okay, best marketing course. I will do like this. Now what will happen is I'll complete the headlines. So there will be unique headlines. Now here you can put up to 15 headlines. Okay, this you have to write down properly. You have to research the competitors from before, like which unique keywords or headlines can be used. I'm just adding it for the dummy, okay? These things are just to show you, but you have to work on this. Everything should be ready beforehand to put it in after creating campaign. Okay, this AI is also helping you. It will also generate some headlines for you. Now here comes the long headline, okay? In the long headline we put like learn with digital marketing agency. Then we will see in this digital marketing agency with over 15 years of digital marketing experience. Okay, this one long headline is given that tells about yourself. Now here we can add up to 5 long headlines. Okay, get extra discount before Holy. I'm putting this dummy that I've added in. I'll add long headlines like this. Okay, become digital marketing expert and earn in 6 figures. So we've added the long headlines like this. Now we have added headlines here. Now we'll add the description. Okay, I am copying and adding this to a dummy description. Okay, I'll write SEO, social media, PPC, Canva, AI. We'll put second description. Okay, so I've just added some dummy descriptions here. So it is showing you here, as I am adding headlines, descriptions and everything, my ad is being created. Now we'll move on. Next, the images and videos are very important. So here, I will go to the images. Okay, we have got some images that are already prepared. We'll select those images. This one here. We have selected images. We will save. There will be a logo that will be logo for your brand, or the brand logos for whatever client you are running ads, like my logo here. It's already updated. Make sure you put the logo as it increases credibility, and the brand is also visible. Okay, the business name is Marketing Fundas, the logo for Marketing Fundas. Further, you have to upload the videos. Okay, and also you can upload up to 5 videos here. So see, I have selected all these videos here and then I'll save it. We did one in vertical and other in horizontal because there are different formats, you know. Okay, so what's next here? Call to action, site links, etc. Then you need a call to action that you have to put here. You can see this is automatically recommended, that Google itself has the ability. Or generally when we use search and display ads, there we provide call to action like learn more, code, sign up, whatever we want. Here Google says to let it be automated. It will do what it thinks is best according to the calculations. So let it be automated if Google is saying so. Okay, you'll see that here it will automatically create the assets as per the platform, as per the requirements. It will do that. Okay, now look here. Now the game starts here. So first in the campaigns, we select our audience from before itself, as here it happens once after it's added. Now here we need to add the audience. Here you can put in your keywords. It's quite simple. Generally, you should put in the keywords and topics where you want people to see your ad when they search for something like that, no matter what platform they are on. Like some put in digital marketing course, and if someone searches, they should see my ad. Okay, now someone puts best digital marketing course, okay, with the certification. I have entered this. Okay, digital marketing classes online. Okay. So in this way, I will add different and distinct keywords. Okay. For example, I will add here Google ads, course, meta ads, meta ads course. Okay. If we put in digital marketing coaching, Delhi. So like this, friends, you can use the range here, putting in 5 to 25 keywords. I've already put in 4 or 5 dummy ones for this. You should put in the maximum and do thorough research to find the best and targeted keywords. So you can see now once after putting in all of this, or let's say if you have done all of this, then here inside the audience signals, if you want that, the one that I have as my audience. Okay, let me check here. Demographics. So the age group of the people who I want to take this course are between 18 and 34 years. This is my main target audience. So I'll define it here. So what's the point in showing my ads to people between 34, 57 or 70 years old when I don't have the budget? There is limited budget. That is also a way to optimize budget. I'll do it this way. Here when I go to next step, we'll move further and it says the recommended budget to be 6,900. Now your budget could be 6,900 or 10,000 for one day. What if you have a low budget like 1,000, 2,000, but for PMAX you need 2 to 3,000 rupees per day, right? Because there are multiple platforms. You can't make it work with just 500 rupees, right? So here you need a daily budget of 2 to 5,000 rupees. Okay, but the thing is you get proper results if you create a good campaign. Okay, you monitor it properly, you scale it properly, you keep optimizing it, which we do in our NC, right? You can't just create a campaign and leave it to expect huge results and profits. So it doesn't work that way. Everything requires optimization, then it is required to scale and grow it. This is also a part of the business. It's a part of campaign management, right? It's what we do within our agency, the same thing for you. I'm telling you. Here, I've set a custom budget. Let's say I can only afford 4,000 rupees. Okay, so I'll only spend 4,000 rupees. So I've set my custom budget according to that. It is giving figures, etc. on an average. Okay, after doing that, I'll do next. When I do next, then finally, now we will move forward and here. As you can see, here, at least one landscape image is required. We will add a landscape image that is remaining. It's absolutely right that one should also use a landscape image. So here we will add one landscape image. Okay, we'll save it. So along with the proper sizes that are there, there should be at least some text. It should be clearly visible text, so keep all these things in mind. Okay, so the ad will be attractive. Now here the ad strength became average, it increased. So the more I'll put content after doing research, it gets good. And you see here, this will start to become my ad score. Okay, it's on the dummy, then it's average. If I make it myself, it'll be the best. Okay, so this is all done. This is all I have taught you. Let's do next. We've already set the budget. Now we'll do next. All right. Now finally, after these steps, it says to publish our campaign. So once after reviewing it, I will look at it and then I'll publish the campaign. I will publish the campaign. After you publish the campaign, you can see here. So friends, our campaign is now getting ready. Let's see this now. It takes a bit of time. So it is done. We will go to the campaigns. So I'll go to the campaign. Now let's see. Leads Performance Max MF campaign is eligible for a budget of 4,000. That means it will start, but it's not even in the review yet. Okay. So friends, this is how you create a PMAX campaign. I hope you are understanding the entire course well and must be watching every video of our course. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.